You can now embed noem into specific elements on your website, meaning that you can have it embedded like this right there on your website, where people are clicking on it and they're interacting with your chatbot right on the page. When is this useful? Think about all the questions that you got when people are coming to your contact us page and filling up a form just for you to answer the questions later. Instead of a contact form, you just have your AI agent answer all the questions that they have, and only if they can't solve the problem, that's when you get a notification. But no more are you going to be getting emails with like, when are you open? Do you have this product? How are you dealing with returns? I need an RNA number. What is product right for me? All that stuff can now be solved in seconds on your contact us page. And you can do that by simply embedding noem right here, embedding that on your page. So let me show you how you do that with WordPress. If you are using the Enfold theme for WordPress, whichever element you're on, you'll go to the Advanced Developer Settings, and in the Developer Settings, you're going to put the Custom ID attribute, the same idea that you're going to put right here. Right? In Divi, that will be in the CSS ID, and you're going to put that under the CSS ID. What you need to know, what you need to pay attention to, is that the element, the name of the element in noem matches the name of the element on your website, and then what happens is that it will be embedded on your website. But wait, that's not all.